Hello, dear tutor and companions. My name is Cujia. In a few months, my family and I are going to travel to Comodoro Rivadavia to enjoy a vacation. Comodoro is a city in Argentina. It is located in Patagonia. The weather is usually very cool, with average temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. We have the air tickets reserved on September 13 at 4 p.m. from Bogota. We have a lot of plans for Thursdays. We will go to see different places, including Cerro Chenque, which is a geographical accident. It is an excellent place to take pictures with the family. We will also go to now the beautiful beaches of Radatili and Puerto Madryn. Finally, we will go to the Calafate with the children to see the snow. We will stay in Buenos Aires for a few days before going to Comodoro. We are going to visit some friends. Buenos Aires has many beautiful places, but I really want to know the River Plate Stadium and, of course, see a soccer game there. We hope to have an unforgettable experience in the beautiful Argentina. Thank you.